All right, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanted to sort of outline the differences between what we do and what we teach in our programs, which is basically private labeling, building your own brand, building your own business, and labeling your own products, as opposed to a few other people out there teaching what we call drop shipping or retail arbitrage. Now, let me just explain that real quickly, but I wanted to sort of dedicate this video a little bit more to what the differences are. So stay with me. We'll be back in a second. Welcome back. It's good to have you here. So what is dropshipping? Well, dropshipping is basically you list a product on Amazon, and you're listing basically somebody else's product on Amazon. Usually the supplier is based in China. You don't have to buy stock up front. When you make a sale, you collect your money, you tell the supplier to send the product directly to your customer. That's what dropshipping is all about. I've done dropshipping before. It's a viable business model. However, because there's low entry to get involved in it, you don't really need money to get involved. So there's a lot more people doing it. The margins can sometimes be a little bit small or a little bit tight, right? Now, that's dropshipping. Now, dropshipping's been around for a while. There's a lot of companies out there doing it, but a lot of them are selling the same old product. So it's not really something we teach, because the product might be dropshipped by 50, 100 other sellers. Everyone's basically competing on price, and if they could price their product a little bit cheaper, then they think they're going to make more sales. So really, there's not a lot of margins, and also you're building a business for somebody else. You're not building a business for yourself. And I feel like if you're actually going to do this, you should probably do it right and build your own business. Okay, and I feel like you kind of want to set it up a proper way so you've got longevity with your business, right? So that's what dropshipping is. What retail arbitrage is kind of similar to buying something or selling something, for example, on eBay for $59.95, and then when they make a sale on eBay, they basically go to your Amazon listing, they buy it for $49.95, and they send it, they put the customer's address in, and then basically Amazon will send it off to their customer, right? So you're making a $10 margin. That's kind of what retail arbitrage, that's how it works. Now, again, it's something where no capital is required, so there's a lot more people doing it. There's a lot more people out there that are selling your product on Amazon, or products on Amazon that are available for sale on Amazon on other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, eBay, and other platforms out there where they're retailing it a little bit more expensive and making that bit of a margin, right? Now, again, they're not building their own business, they're selling somebody else's product, and there's a lot of competition because there's no barriers. It's very low barrier for entry, so everyone can jump on it. You don't need funds. What we teach is more of a all-rounded approach, where we teach you how to go about building your own brand, all right? So getting small quantities, testing the market, and then eventually branding your product and actually putting yourself on Facebook and Instagram, being multi-platform, multi-marketplace, so selling in Australia, selling in America, selling in Europe, right? Selling in Japan, and then also building out a social media following. You can jump on eBay and building a proper brand. And eventually down the line, maybe even having a website, or even getting your products into retail stores as well. So that's an option you can do as well. So that's what we teach. We teach more private labeling. We don't really teach dropshipping. We cover a little bit at our conferences, but a lot of it's more about building a proper business from ground up. And in terms of budget, you don't need a lot of budget. People think they need a lot of money. I mean, we've had people start on less than $350. All right, it depends largely on the product you choose, but you don't need a lot of money to get something started on Amazon, okay? You just need a will. Obviously there's work involved, but you do need some capital, but that capital really isn't a lot compared to what most people think. All right, so have a great day. Hopefully that answered some questions about the differences of what we teach, dropshipping and retail arbitrage, and talk to you real soon. And if you're looking, by the way, to get something started, visit our website for some free training or give us a call in the office. We would love to have a chat with you about helping you build your brand, build your business on sites like Amazon. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.